guys, welcome to my channel. So I am finally done with my retightening. This is my first retightening in the year 2020, and so I decided to actually show you a little of how I've been doing it. And before I started this whole retightening process, I actually had to cut my nails. If you checked some of my previous videos, I always have very long nails, which are my own nails. For whatever reason, ever since I have been on this lock journey, my nails just grow so wildly, and it was one of the things that actually caused me not to retighten my hair, because when you have long nails and you're running through your hair, to me it doesn't really feel so nice, and I always felt the retightening is going to be a very difficult process. So after I cut my nails and I was able to touch my scalp and run my fingers through my hair properly, was when I actually had the edge to retighten my hair. Before, it wasn't there. So here's the finished result. The lines are clean. I managed to remain in my grid. A small change is with this lock. In one of my previous videos, I was sharing with you that the hairs at the front here have started growing out. I thought if I change my mind and I do two locks, they will probably stand up here like little horns. I wouldn't be able to tame them to lie down. So I decided to add that bushy hair to this lock. So this one now looks really big, but I actually don't mind about that. And this one actually looks quite normal. Also with the thickness here, it's okay. Yeah, so this is the end result. Let me give you a 360. I know that what I'm wearing is not really the appropriate dress for a kind of a length check, but I hope you can still see. So and my hair is flexible, so yeah, it's really growing, guys. So this is the first retightening for the year 2020. I'm here to motivate you. If you are due for a retight and you are a DIYer, grab your pin and start retightening, because you can do this. I have about 380 locks approximately, and I have gotten through. It took me about 4 nights. So I was only retightening my hair in the evenings. Today is the only day that I actually retightened my hair during the day, because I was just left with a stripe like this, and I'd actually made it into a style. Rolled the front something like this, because this part wasn't done yet, but now I have finished it. So I'm actually really happy and proud, and I hope this year continues in a positive way when it comes to retightening, because it's still not my favorite thing to do. So yeah, just wanted to give you a short update and let you know how it is going. So more power to those of you who are yet to retighten your hair. And yeah, you'll see me in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.